Good morning, guys. Forgot to do a video last night, but I will fix that later. So we are facing a storm today. You can see a little bit of clouds there. There's a lot more earlier, and we did get a little rain last night. And it's let's see what time is it. It's 6:30 in the morning, and there's already clouds. And they are predicting thunder and lightning storm. So we are trying to hurry and get things packed up, and then we got to head up that pass, which looks short but steep as heck. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm feeling okay, a little tired, but overall doing all right. So we're going to Big Sandy Lake today, possibly further if we feel like it. So that's about it. Okay, we are hitting the trail at 6:42. We have to go around the lake. We're going to filter water and then head up the pass. So that's what we are going to do. Ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty. So the climb up there begins. Starting off easy, but I know it's going to get a lot worse. Or so I hear. Going up Texas Pass. Well, let's see if it works this time. Going up Texas Pass, half mile, like 700 feet elevation gain. So, pretty steep. Probably can't quite tell on the GoPro, but it's what I can do. Hopefully it works this time. We're going up Texas Pass, about a half mile, about 700 feet elevation gain. Okay. And it is, once again, I'm trying to film with this stupid GoPro, and it doesn't want to work properly. I don't think any of my previous clips worked, but we're going up Texas Pass, which is about a half mile, with about 700 feet elevation gain. Steep as all get out. And I know the GoPro doesn't really show you just how steep it is, but it's what I got. There's Texas Lake, and then beyond that, Barren Lake. This is definitely stinking steep. I think I'll go this way. Yeah. Just so you guys know, this is a used trail. This is not maintained. So explaining this crap, I have to climb up this rock just to get back to the trail here, which is a little difficult because it's hard to get a good. Shoot. Yeah. Son of a gun. Oof. Oh boy. That's tough. Yeah. Well, I'm Sorry my camera wasn't running for that, but I just saw a big fat pika run up that rock. It stopped to look at me, and it had a big old flower in its mouth. But it didn't stay there, unfortunately. Or I would have taken a picture and then ran under that big rock there. But man, that was really cool. That was really cool. Oh boy. I think once I get past that little outcropping there, I'll be able to see the top. Well, I do believe I can see the top. So that's good. I'm at least halfway up, so. Beth is struggling a bit, which is not a surprise. Heck, I mean, this is a tough pass. It's very steep. Very steep. Well, I think I'm pretty close to the top. I've lost. Oh, there! I see a pike on that rock. Oh, bugger! I want to get a good picture of those one day. They're hard to get pictures of. They don't like to stick around. And I was told by a ranger that you're pretty fortunate if you get to see one, because they're pretty elusive. And I've seen two. Oh, there's Beth. But I think I'm pretty close. So, going to continue on. And I think probably within 20 minutes, which may be way more than I need. I don't know. Should get there. I think I'm pretty close. But it is steep. Oh, holy steepness. I haven't been on too many trails that are this steep. I have been on a few. But it'd be nice since this is such a popular route, circa the towers. Why don't they maintain this? Why don't they build a real trail on this with proper switchbacks? Boggles my mind. Well, my GoPro seems to have crapped out again. But I did see another pika that came back into view. I think I'm really close to the top, so I'll film again when I get there. But holy steepness, this trail is steep. I've been on a few trails about as steep as this, and this is really steep. And it boggles my mind that since this is such a popular route, they don't make an actual trail here. It's just a used trail, just a trail that people have eventually made through walking. So, okay, I am coming to the top. My legs are gonna feel this. Oh crap. Well, I'll show you the other side in a minute. I'm gonna blow my whistle to let my wife know I'm at the top.